Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A54, and today I'll show you how you can wipe cache partition on this device. So to get started, we will need to turn off our device by holding power button and then selecting power off. Let's give it a couple seconds to actually fully turn off, as sometimes it might take it a moment. There we go, there is the vibration, so I'll assume that it's right now off. So anyway, from here we're gonna hold power button and volume up at the same time. Once you see the ZTE logo, let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. This then boots us into recovery mode. Here, using volume buttons either up or down, you can navigate, and you want to select wipe cache partition, confirm it with the power button, select yes. At the bottom you should see cache wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default, so all you need to do is press power button once again to initiate a reboot of the device, and this will now bring you back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.